Good day, everyone. I am Christian Condesa, and I am going to present my paper on contemporary Western philosophy entitled Self-Awareness as the Path of Meaning and Transcendence. So, in the Philippines today, faith and family are at the center of many people's lives. But with poverty, migration, and shifting traditions, we are constantly being pushed to ask questions like, who am I? Why I am here? Is life only about surviving? And some find answer in religion, religious activities, others turn to philosophy or their personal reflection. But here's should be the deeper questions can be asked. Can human responsibility and the search for meaning be fully explained by experience and the material world, or is there something more? So I argue that personhood is rooted in self-awareness, which leads us towards transcendence. It is not just our ability to survive or think, it's our conscious relationship with others and ourselves that pushes us beyond the surface of life. So I have here the 3 points of my argument. First is, even before we think reflectively, we are already aware of ourselves. So this is called a pre-reflective self-awareness. For example, I am walking to the street and I saw a lot of cars, girls, or others. Then I not analyzing these things, but I am aware that they are happening to me. So I am aware of myself as experiencing. So meaning doesn't always come from deep reflection, but it begins with simply being present. So second, our self-awareness begins in the body. So the other thinkers say that our bodily senses are driven by survival, but this survival leads to something more. Imagine someone lost in the forest, and at first they think only of food, water, and shelter, but once their basic needs are met, deeper questions come. Why I am here? What is the point of surviving? So, or our body helps us survive, but our awareness pushes us to search for purpose beyond survival. So third, as our awareness grows, we begin to see that we are not completely separate from the world. So other thinker says that ultimate selfhood where the boundary between self and the world begins to dissolve. For example of this, the orchestra. So in the orchestra, if I focus on just one, I hear individual sounds. But when I listen to the whole orchestra, I hear one unified melody. So like that, self-awareness helps us move from seeing life in parts to seeing a deeper unity.